We kind of have a policy here at Topcon Solutions store. We want to make the customer's issues our issues.
Whether that's at the bench, whether that's at a computer, or whether it's out on the job site, we're providing them the expertise behind the products that we offer.
We have guys that have been doing this for 20 plus years.
We're all certified, and we also are cross-trained in a lot of what we do.
I have a whole team here that I can contact at any time.
We have so many knowledgeable people in our company. We can always at least talk to somebody if we don't know the answer.
I can say, have you done this? Have you tried that? Have you ran into this problem?
We work together to find the solutions. Geeks and Grease Monkeys are actually one and the same here, where our service technicians both help people with their software issues over the phone, and they go out into the field and help them with their hardware issues on their machines.
Having that support from Topcon is the most important thing we can have in any equipment that we use.
So the way that we address challenges is identify what the problem is, where the problem's coming from, and really where they're trying to go.
They're either pushing dirt, they're building buildings, they're paving, they're surveying, they're doing topographic surveys, geology studies. They all have unique needs, unique workflows. We make that happen.
From the original sale of the equipment to the training of how to use the equipment, to the support if they need it in the field, to the service if there's trouble that needs to be taken care of. We want to be the complete package.
It puts us in a very unique position to help customers through the life cycle of a project.
I like to meet with my clients, discuss their issues, even roll out their plans and have a look at what it is they're building or what they're trying to do.
It's huge for us. It's basically like having people on our own staff that we can kind of look to, and they're really here to help you make money and be productive.
We have what the customer needs to really help them out on their projects, or to minimize their downtime, to maximize their efficiency, maximize their productivity. And in the end, that's a winning combination for both of us.
The equipment just keeps getting better and better, and that's kind of the fun part of riding this wave is every year or two we get something that's more interesting, more fascinating.
And we're standing behind the customer, always making sure that they're going to be taken care of.
Topcon Solutions stores is all about teamwork, because we are a group of locations, we are a group of stores, all one family.
I think it's fun driving down the road and seeing projects. Even going home, the whole expressway is one of our company's projects, and our equipment is on there.
Yeah, you get a big sense of pride when you come out to a job and you see a customer that started with a base and a rover and has evolved into machine control. This is the fruits of your labor right here, watching these guys make more money and be more efficient at what they do.